All right, so you use I3, and you've noticed that when you change focus on your window, the mouse doesn't move with that focus. You can see here that it does for me. That's because I've written a script to enable that, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first things first, i3 already has mouse warping. There are two options. The default is output. You can also turn it off with setting it to none. Output, what that does, if you change focus to a window that's on another monitor, then the mouse will move with you. And you can see that there's an example there. I'm moving to a different monitor and back. But what I would like is that it does it no matter, regardless of whether you're moving to another monitor or not. So we're going to be using xdo tool to get active window and then get window geometry. The reason I'm making this video is when you type that in, this is what I found online. This is in a terrible format. This is not very helpful. I started using sed to try and parse this information. But if you do what you're supposed to do and read the man page, you will see that get window geometry. You'll see that this has a dash shell argument you can give it, which you can see the output value is suitable for a val in a shell. So to save you guys all time for trying to parse that annoying information, add a shell, and you can see this is great. Well, we've got the information already. Job's done. You can see that we've got these variables. I can print out x. That's equal to 4. So onto the script. So I wrote this little script. It does exactly what I just showed you using calling a val. So it's as if I typed it in myself. That's what a val does. And then I set x destination, y destination. So x, that's the top left corner of the active window, plus 5/6 of the width. And the y destination is y, the y value of the top left corner of the active window, plus 1/4 of the height, and that's plus going down the screen. And then I call xdo tool mouse move, which is pretty obvious what that does. I'll just go to 1200, 400 so you can see where that is. That's just 1200 pixels across, 400 pixels down. And that's all the script does. So onto the config file. Don't forget to edit this in UTF-8. So as you can see here, I've got my mod H, JKL for changing the focus, left, down, up, and right, and then I just call the script. That's all this does. I just exec that after first change the focus and then call the script. You may notice that I've called it down here as well. That's just for when I create a new terminal. It does that as well. Pretty simple stuff. Yeah, that's it. You'll also notice that I put the mouse not in the center. You can put it in the center if you'd like, but you use i3, so probably you're trying to use the mouse as little as possible, like I do. Mainly, the mouse is great for scrolling, and I think the top right corner is a great place to have it while scrolling. So I would recommend that, but do whatever you want. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems or suggestions for improvements, let me know.